Hi, I'm Victoria Choi, and in this lesson, we'll dive into the fascinating world of scales, chords, and Roman numerals, specifically focusing on A major and E flat major scales. We'll explore the chords in these scales and how to notate them using Roman numerals. Let's get started. The major scale consists of a repeating pattern on 7 notes at specific interval of whole and half steps. One method you can use to figure out the notes in a scale is by using the major scale formula, which holds the pattern of whole, whole, half, and whole, 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 half step intervals. Roman numerals are designated to describe each chord, and each chord is assigned a number known as a scale degree, numbered from 1 to 7, or named tonic to leading tone. Each major scale is related to a major key. Take a look at the example below. A major scale is in the key of A major, and as with all major keys, it will start on its root note A. You can also always rely on the patterns of each chord in a major scale. That 1, 4, and 5 will be major, 2, 3, and 6 will be minor, and finally the 7th scale degree chord will be diminished. Major chords use uppercase Roman numerals, minor chords use lowercase Roman numerals, and diminished chords use lowercase Roman numerals with the degree symbol immediately following. You can see the whole, whole, half step intervals and whole, 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 half step intervals on the scale below. Now that you know the pattern of chords in a major scale, we can translate and confirm this to any major scale. Let's try out the E flat major scale. The key of E flat has 3 flats, B flat, E flat, and A flat. Take a look at the scale of E flat that I built. Underneath the scales, I wrote the corresponding Roman numerals we can expect, with 1, 4, and 5 being major, noted in uppercase, and 2, 3, and 6 noted in lowercase, and finally the 7th degree scale noted in lowercase with a degree symbol following. Look at the chords built on top of the scale to confirm that this scale truly works. The scale pattern works every time and makes sense to you. Starting with the 1 chord, we can expect in E flat major that the triad will be a major chord: G, E flat, G natural, and B flat. The 2nd scale degree will be a minor chord, and we can see this as F major, with the 3rd being lowered a half step. The 3rd scale degree will also be a minor chord, in G because of the B flat. The 4th scale degree will be an A flat major chord with A flat, C, and E flat, and the 5th scale degree will be B flat major with B flat, D, and F. The 6th scale degree will be a minor chord because of the E flat, and finally the 7th scale degree will be diminished because of the lowered 3rd and 5th, with D, F natural, and C natural. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you leave fascinated.